I'm adjusting my chain. So the chain movement's supposed to be between 30 and 40 millimeters, which is approximately 1.5 inches or a little less. So about 1 inch and 3/8. So that's good. Just loosen this one up a little bit because it's not quite aligned here. So you want to make sure the notches on this side align with the same notches on the other side so that your wheel is not mounted crooked. Snug it up. And check your chain again, make sure it hasn't moved. Yeah, and that's good. Now you want to tighten the axle bolt back up. I like to sort of push against the wheel so that these are being pushed up where they should be so that you know your wheel's in alignment when you're tightening it up. So I use my knee here against the back of the wheel. Tighten it up. Check one more time. Make sure the chain's still good. Looks pretty good. And we're good.